Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting the DJI Action 2 to the ultimate test underwater. We all know this little action camera is packed with features, but how does it hold up when submerged? So let's dive in and check it out. Here we go. Ooh, aduh. Hey, chạy vào rừng vào đây. Finally, we are done with the durability check. After hours of being submerged, splashed, and even touched around, the DJI Action 2 holds up pretty strong. Not a drop of water inside, no fogging, and the performance is just as smooth as ever. So, it provides a reliable companion even in the wettest conditions. So, it's a big yes from my side. Please let me know what you think about this test and what you want next from this. So till then, you happy folks, enjoy, keep innovative, chill.